Chapter 3 Queries, Forms, Reports in MS Excel 2007 Learning Objectives Introduction Queries in MS Access Forms in MS Access Reports in MS Access Introduction MS Access allows you to manage your information in one database file with queries, forms and reports. Queries can be applied on the tables only when the relationship exists between the tables. A form is nothing more than a graphical representation of a table. You can add, update and delete records in your table using a form. A report is an effective way to present your data in a printed format. Queries in MS Access. The database contains a large amount of data in the form of multiple tables. Queries provide an efficient way to retrieve specific information from the database. With a query, you can apply a filter to the table's data so that you can only view the information you want. For example, a query based on above table can be to display the names of all the students who have passed. Creating a query. A query is based on tables or on the other queries. To create a query, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Create tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click the Query Design option in the Queries group. The Show Table dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the table on which you would like to generate your query. Step 4. Click Add button. The selected table is added in Query window. Step 5. Click the Close button. The Query window. The Query window allows you to design and manage various aspects of a query. It is divided into two panels. The top pane displays the table selected for the query. The bottom pane displays a design grid where you can add fields to the query and also specify the criteria. Let us understand the design grid. The design grid shows the following headings. Field, a row that displays the selected field from the table. Table, this row displays the name of the table. Sort, this row is used to filter the data in ascending or descending order. Show, this row displays a check mark which indicates that this field will be visible when the query is executed. Criteria, this row is used to specify the conditions on the basis of which the records will be filtered. Or, this row is used to specify multiple criteria. Using the query. To use the query, you need to add fields, specify the criteria in the design grid, and then run the query. Let us create a query based on the student table to display the records of the student whose age is more than 13. Step 1. Choose the required field from the drop-down list of the field row in the design grid, or simply double-click on the field from the table in the top pane. Step 2. Select the order of sorting in the sort row. Step 3. Specify the criteria in the criteria row. For example, in this case, type more than 13 under the age column and save the query. Step 4. Now, to see the results of the query, click the Run option on the Results group in the Design tab of the ribbon. The result of the query is displayed in the datasheet view, showing only those records that specify the criteria. Forms in MS Access. A form is a database object that is used to enter or display data in a database. It resembles a fill-in-the-blank sheet that you would complete by hand, such as a job application. MS Access links the form to a table and stores the information that you put in the form into the table. A form is a very good option to use when you have numerous fields in a table. This way you can see all the fields in one screen, whereas if you were in the table view or datasheet, you would have to keep scrolling to get the fields you desire. Creating a form. To create a form, select the table for which you want to create the form and follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the table or query on which you are basing the form. Step 2. Click the Create tab on the ribbon. Step 3. Click the form in the Forms group. Access creates a form or places all the fields of the selected table on the form. Use the navigation bar to move throughout the record on the form. There are three views in which a form can be displayed: Form View, Layout View, and Design View. To switch between views, click on View from the Format tab on the ribbon. The three views get displayed. Form View is used to enter or edit data. Design View is used to adjust the design of your form. Layout View is used to change the format of your form. In the Layout View, click the Format tab, Auto Format option, and choose the desired format from the gallery of styles. Reports in MS Access. A report is an effective way to organize and present data from your Access database. It enables you to format your data in an attractive and informative layout for printing or viewing on screen. Creating a report. To create a report, select the table or query on which you want to create your report and follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the table or query upon which you want to base the report. Step 2. Click the Create tab on the ribbon. Step 3. Click the Report option in the Report group. Access creates a report and places all the fields and the corresponding records of the selected table on the report. There are 4 views in which a report can be displayed: Report View, Print Preview, Layout View, and Design View. You can change the format of your report by using the Auto Format option in the Layout View. Print Preview allows you to see what the report would look like on a printed piece of paper. Report View allows you to see the data without having to display it in Print Preview. Layout View allows you to make design changes while browsing your data. Design View gives you a more detailed view of the structure of your report. Keywords. Query. It displays specific record from a table that meets a certain criteria. Form. It is a graphical representation of a table. Report. It is an effective way to present your data in a printed format.